Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', IGDMN, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared instead of love.
Hey guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and y'all, here is the braided unit I've been telling you guys about. This is Outre's middle part French curl box braids, 26 inches. Oh my goodness. Outre done stuck their foot in this one. So you all, if you want to see me install this unit, then just keep watching. Let's go.
여보세요? 그냥 핸드폰 보고 있었지. 자야지 이제. 바이. 나만 왜 이러냐 진짜.
새벽 2시 폰을 열어. 남들 인생 둘러보면 생각해. 아, 나만 또 없네. 이제는 좋겠네. 뭐 하는 걸까? And I'm 모르겠다. 이제 덮어둘래야 하나씩은 Refocus your mind. 이제 정신 차리고 제대로 생각해봐. 새벽 3시 폰을 닫아. 넌 감정 없이 거울 보면 생각해. 아, 좀만 예뻤으면. 아, 좀만 날씬했으면. 아, 뭐 하는 걸까? And I'm 모르겠다. 이제 그만할래. 좀 나가시게. Refocus your mind. 이제 정신 차리고 제대로 생각해봐. 언젠가는 나 찾아가는 삶을 살아. 맘만 먹으면 오늘이라도 그럴 텐데. 알잖아 비교가 더 제로만 믿어줘. And I'm 모르겠다. 이제 돌아갈래. 예전의 나라. Let me play over. 눈을 감고 생각해. 감사로 꽉 찼던 날. 언젠가는 나 찾아가는 삶을 살아. 맘만 있으면 오늘이라도 그럴 거야. Ooh, yeah, yeah, baby. No, 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 no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accused? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep you? 헤어지자고 아침부터 you've been going through my phone. 말해봐 내가 바보인 줄 알아 not alone. Yeah, you and I 날라가 'cause we're flying for my brothers. 바보야 I got problems popping bottles. 소주 지한 밤을 때가 소주. 내가 미안하다고 I'm sorry but my 말투 난 아직 생각나. 그러지 마 꼭 돌아와. Don't you ever say goodbye. 너의 때우는 내 맘 문자 보낼지 몰라. Think about you all the time. Baby 아프지 마자 tonight. 전화하고 싶은 나 I've been sipping on the rocks on the wine. Let's just ride the life. Yeah. I've been just picking up pieces of you. Yeah, but how can I keep you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep you? 서로 좋아하는데 왜 안 된 걸까? 벌써 1년 지났지.
All right, y'all, let's talk about this. So this is Outre's middle part French curl box braids, 26 inches. Y'all see this, right? Girl, you can literally have this look, and I'm not kidding, in less than 10 minutes. You guys, I'm wearing this glueless. It's not glued down at all. All I did was kind of sculpt the front hairline with my, what's that stuff? That wrapping foam mousse. that's all I did. And I put a little got to be glued to kind of help lay the baby hairs down, and sprayed it with my TIGI bed head. And that was just for the baby hairs. I did not glue this unit down. Period, poo. Do you hear me? This is glueless. So this look you can literally have in 10 minutes or less. Okay, so let's see what Outre got to say about it, and then I'm going to give you guys my thoughts real fast. So this is Outre's 4x4 lace front wig. It is a pre-braided unit. It's a feed-in box braids unit, which is why it's much longer. And her name is Middle Part French Curl Box Braids 26 inches. Now, I have done Outre's box braids in the past. I will definitely leave the link to that review. It did not have the French curl, and I really like the French curl part because it will allow you to do a bun, updos, and just really be able to kind of wrap this around and not make it look as heavy. Like, this wig is not heavy, y'all, at all. I'm not even kidding. It is not heavy at all. So they say glueless, pre-attached elastic band, and you guys saw this, the band on this one, that wide band, is adjustable. It's a little better quality headband than most of the time the wide elastic band that they put in there. Let's see, it has ear-to-ear lace, hand-tied HD lace, and the claims that they say are lightweight and natural density. I definitely agree with that. Soft, flexible braids. These braids are not hard, y'all, at all. Like, they are. They're so flexible. Look at that. Flexible, bendable. They are not hard. They're not crunchy. Baby hairs were included. I did go in and pluck those and cut those because they look more like a whole baby bang hairline, and she didn't want none of that. So the nice part is you can make the baby hairs to your liking, your length, your thickness. Pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit, and I do believe that band is why I'm able to wear this so nice and glueless. And fast, easy, and effortless install. Yep. Check, 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 check. Outre hit this one right on the nail. Y'all, this one comes in 4 different colors. It comes in DR Burgundy, DR 1B, 2T 30, 27, a DR 1B 2T 30, which is the one that I have, and the DR 4 2T 27,613. Now, I did show you guys those colors. This is the one right here that I currently have on, but it does come in 4 different colors. In addition to, you guys, your 1, your 1B, and your number 2. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. I do like the styling that they did on the model. Baby, she's selling that wig. And yeah, so you guys, let's get right to it. Let me give you my thoughts. So, big hair friendly, I would say absolutely not. I feel like this cap is more like in between. You know how sometimes you go and stuff says like medium/large? I feel like this cap is more of a small/medium. I would not call it a large. It just doesn't seem large. It's very snug on me. So my head with my wig grip on is 23 inches. So if your head is larger than 23 inches, it might be a little more snug on you. Now, you guys, I will leave my Amazon link for the wig, if I can find it in there, as well as the jewelry that I purchased off of Amazon. This is what it looks like. So I really do like the jewelry in this wig. I kind of played around and changed this up a couple of different ways, but the jewelry is so fun. So make sure if you get this wig, child, you got to have some jewelry with it, okay? You got to juice it up. But this wig is going to be a perfect holiday wig. I'm so happy to include it in my holiday wig series that I'm starting, you guys. And I'm starting it off with this unit. This would be perfect for Thanksgiving, perfect for Christmas. It's a perfect fall, winter type of wig. As you saw, the cap is not aerated. It's more of a wig cap. It does have the 4x4 lace frontal to kind of give you that more realistic effect. And I think that Outre did a very good job on this. Like, I was planning on like reviewing this and then throwing this thing off. But y'all, I am so pleased with this. I think I'm gonna wear this thing all week. That part, sissy. Shedding. I haven't gotten any shedding. I haven't gotten any tangling. No need to comb, to brush. None of that, y'all. Look, you can just run your fingers right through this. Literally, you pop this bad boy on your head. You do what you're going to do with them baby bangs. And you gonna live your best life, okay? This wig is so easy and ready to go. And I really like it. And I think it's appropriate for any age group. As you guys know, I am 57 whole entire years old. And I just feel like this looks so youthful, so pretty, and I'm so happy with it. So that is my review on Miss Middle Part French Curl Box, 26 inches. And she's a perfect length, you guys. Like, she ain't too long, but she's still long. So I love her. Y'all let me know what y'all think about her in the comments. Like, I'm just out of things to say at this point. So that's all I have. If you are a Weezette, hey girl, hey. Hey boy, hey. You guys, I love you to pieces. I pray that you're enjoying your best life and that things are going really well for you. You all, this is a tough time. Life is lifing. So please, I pray for you guys all the time. But I pray that you show yourself some grace in navigating these tough times we're in. Okay? But beyond that, also be good to yourself, and what I always say, show somebody a little piece of heaven today. You guys, this is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. If you are not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're doing with yourself. Go on, hit that subscribe button. I have several new units coming your way, and I'm so happy to share them with you. All right, guys, I love you. Mwah. And ain't a thing you can do about it. Bye, guys. Be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.